Hi. I am the most crustiest, least put together, YouTube's least favorite content creator. So Cecilia says there, what do you like to comment? I'm not rude because I will cry about it. I'm a very sensitive person. Hey, yes, it's been a hot minute. Yes, I am very inconsistent. Don't have an answer for you. I am just always a hot mess and hot disaster. This is today's star of the show. I'm feeling very Microsoft, Maypang inspired. And also today I'd like to present to you them. Why? Because I just have 49 funkin' brain rot also. I don't know, I just love them. I have a little bit of a base. As you can tell, my face looks slightly more even. I don't like to put a lot of makeup on. I just want to look one shade because, as we know, our faces are 17 million different colors, which is why most beauty people have like summer, winter, typically summer, winter, because when we used to be able to go outside, we would tan actually. But yeah, how is everyone doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fantastic. I'm just here rotting away as I usually do. No growth. Everyone, no, like, I don't know if I'm just not engaging or just people are just like, oh, another beauty person. But I swear I'm interesting sometimes, not all the time. I don't know if I want to do like a swoopy swoop or just like in my head I was like, let's just try to kind of do a little like cut crease moment. I've kind of done that before though, so maybe we'll do a little swoopy swoop. Maybe we'll do a swoopy swoop. I feel like I don't really do that often. But I was just feeling blue today because I do have. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. I have the purple one. I really do want to invest. Okay, don't come for me. I really do want to invest in like a proper like water activated eyeliners and or face paints, but I don't have money right now. Let me rephrase it. I don't have money to spend on makeup right now. I have money for like bills and whatnot, but not enough to like drop like a certain amount on like Mayron. I really do like I really like Mayron's face paints. I think I had not like a small one, but like the little like sample ones you can get from, what the fuck am I talking about? The like little like the tiny ones of like the $1.59, like the $5 ones. I bought some on eBay and they sent me like a free liquid latex with it. And I used the paint once and I actually quite liked it. I kind of messed it up a little bit, but you live and you learn, you give and you take, you shit and you fart, and you breathe and you die. You know, that's just life. I forgot I had a drink. I have a very special drink, and it's not even alcohol. I'm trying the Coke and coffee, and it's not even. I'm going to do a review, right? Like as I do for like the random food shit in my life, but it's just not good. It's just, I thought it was gonna be because I didn't want to watch any reviews because I wanted to do my own, right? And I tried it, and it's like it's disappointing. I saw Bruto Moose's video about it, and I thought it was gonna be a much more interesting, like, texture. I don't know if texture is the right word, but like, you know how like when you like drink soda, it's very like bubbly and carbonating, and then when you drink coffee, it's more of a like bitter smooth sensation. It's like, imagine like both of that. It's like drinking a melted milkshake or like drinking melted ice cream. It's like, it's okay. It's okay. It's not. It's not what I thought it was gonna be, and I think that's why I'm more like disgruntled about it. Not to be like a fucking old lady. I am an old lady, but not to be like, I'm gonna call Coca-Cola Corporation and write a 30-page letter. Blah blah blah. Like it's definitely not that serious. I wish I had the precision that like other beauty people have, like Cut Creaser and S. Antoinette. Oh, their lines are so creasy, but I know that they use like nail brushes and art brushes and very like specific brushes. I do have new brushes, by the way, but I want very specific ones that my friend Sarah, I love you, Sarah. I need to write you back. I'll pop up her stuff. Like if you need commissions for like headers or portraits or avatars, please consider commissioning her because she's extremely talented. And I think, I don't know if she's signing up for university, but it's always good to have extra pocket change, right? You know, so if anyone needs commissions for art, go to my girl Sarah. She's pretty cool. I like that a lot. I like that. I'm feeling that. I think that's really good. And I think now I want to add some like detail with the purple. I usually like to have my stuff ready like near me beforehand, but sometimes you just gotta wing it, you know? I don't know if I want to do like inner, because then I feel like I'll fuck it up. Should I do a wing? Should I do a wing? Answer no. You can't answer. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess we'll see if I can try to like do. I'm not the best at line work. That is what I'll say. I know for a fact I'm like not the best. Also, I just finished Hannibal, right? And I'm so like mentally like you know how those people feel, like how all of the standees, the supernatural people feel after like they didn't get the like gay ending that they wanted between those two people or whatever, right? That's how I feel about Hannibal right now, because I saw the last scene, right? I saw the last scene and the final scene, and it was so tender, it was so sexual, it was so just everything, right? And then they didn't kiss. That's homophobia, and I will not stand for that. Even though this series is like 5 or 6 years old at this point, why would they do that? I'm sure like the people behind the scenes and everything, like in interviews, we know they're gay. We know. It's okay. Maybe I'll make it a little bit thicker. I feel like the ending was very unsatisfying. Like I want them. I think I've said this on Project Tonic. They should have just had sex. If they just had sex, we wouldn't have needed 3 seasons. It just literally could have been like a special episode or whatever. Like they didn't. If we got to see Alana and the sister fuck and like be together, why couldn't Will and Hannibal? NBC, tell me that. It looks a little. This looks better. I like this. If I would do rainbow eyeliner or like a rainbow thing, I think this is how I would have to do it, because I'm not precise. Sometimes I am, but most of the time I'm not. I really like blended, blown out stuff. Like this is very what I think I could do, but not what I always do. Like I'm very much afraid of looks like these, because if I do like one thing, it's all gonna fuck up. So everyone pray for me. Everyone be quiet. Everyone, my audience of 2 people. I definitely do make weird faces when I do eyeliner. I'm like very much the vowels. A-I-O-U, and how are you? Also, sorry if I'm not entertaining. I woke up at noon, and then I did nothing for an hour, and then I fell asleep, and then I woke up at 3:30. And I'm literally starting my day like almost halfway over. So if you want to know how my life is going, that's how it's going. Also, my hair is growing back expeditious. I don't know how to say that word. Very fast. It's growing back very fast, and I'm feeling very attacked by my own hair because I know it's gonna grow out and not down, much like my hair does. So, I don't know what's going on over there, but I'm fine with it. I think it's pretty cool. I like it. I think for my like first attempt at doing something that's not with eyeshadow, I think I kind of killed it. Is it a little fucked up? Yeah. Could I fix it with a Q-tip? Yeah. Am I going to? No, I don't. I mean, I do have time, but also I don't feel like fixing it, and also I feel like I'm also trying. I think I always say something like that, but I'm trying to like shy away of the like fully black eyeliner looks, and I feel like to do that you have to just start somewhere, and so this is the beginning of me. This is real. This is me. This is who I want to be. I don't know how the song goes. Whichever one Vanessa Hudgens sings at the end of first or third High School Musical. That's me. That's how I feel right now. Should I put on more mascara? I think I'm gonna. I wish I was one of those people who like, they like fucking go ham on mascara. But my eyelashes, like, you know how you can feel certain parts of your body like when you're drunk? How I know I'm drunk is when my teeth go numb. And when I put on a lot of mascara, I can feel how heavy my eyelashes are. And I don't like that. If you made it this far in the video, I appreciate you and I love you and you're spectacular and I hope you get everything you want in life. But this is the final look. I'm serving you graphic, sexy, tennis ball realness. Yeah. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Share me with your dog, grandma, grandpa, son, daughter, sibling, friend, significant other, friends with benefits. I would appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.